Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn a very simple and effective way to convert from text to date in Excel. So you can see here that I have a list of all the sales value and the corresponding date and time. And this list of data was exported from our CRM system. And you can see here that the dates are a bit weird. This cell C2, the date is correct, but there are many cells when the dates are left aligned. About half of the date in this Excel file is being right aligned, and that means that the date is in the correct format that Excel understands and recognizes as date. But there are still many date values that are left aligned, and when you click on any of the dates that are left aligned, you can see that the number format is changed to general. So this means that Excel is recognizing it as text and not numbers, and this will create a lot of problem for us. If I am to insert a pivot table, all those dates that are left aligned will not be part of the pivot table, and it will be impossible for me to do a pivot table and then to group all the sales data by month or by quarter or even by week. Alright, so how do we fix it? Well, there are many ways. So just click on any date that are badly formatted, hit enter, and then you can see that Excel has already converted this from general to date, and it is recognizing it as date. But if you have a long list of data that consists of hundreds or thousands of rows, doing so manually for every badly formatted date would take a long time. So is there a better alternative? Well, the answer is yes, and actually there are many ways that this can be done. So you can do text to column, or you can use a left and right function to split the date into day, month, and year, and then use the date function to combine them all together. Or you can use flash fill. But my favorite method is to fix it using the find and replace option. Okay, so first, double click on the column heading, and this will select all the data within the column itself. Now press Ctrl H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find box, just press slash, okay, and then in the Replace box, again press slash. Now select Replace All. Alright, all done, and you can see that all the values are now being converted to dates. Now that all our dates are being correctly formatted, it will be very easy for us to do a pivot table. Okay. And then, let's say that I want to see the value of all the sales. So here, very quickly, I could see all the sales value for a given month. Now, what if we want to see the total sales value for a given quarter? How do we do that? Well, very easy. Just right click, group, and here we are going to group it by quarters. We don't want the dates, so forget that. Alright, and then, yeah, that's it. So now, within just a few clicks, you can very easily see how much sales have we generated in a given quarter. Alright, so I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.